Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I want to show you how we can connect Jira, the project management tool, directly inside Claude. And once we do that, you can talk to Claude about your Jira projects, your tasks, your sprints, just by typing a message. So firstly, we need to connect Jira in Claude, and how we can do this simply just click on your profile, then go to settings, and here in the connectors, you want to click on browse connectors and simply search for Jira. And Atlassian is basically the company of Jira. So we want to click on this plus icon next to Atlassian. And this is going to redirect you to this page where you want to connect this MCP server and you want to allow access only to Jira. So make sure to click on Jira, then click on approve. Now you want to accept the access to your account. And now you should be able to see Atlassian over here in your connectors. And if you click on configure, you can configure your permissions, but I would say you can keep this on needs approval like this. And then after the Claude will ask you for the specific permission, you can allow it only once for the task. That's the most safe way how we can use connectors in Claude. Now we can move to new chat and we can test it. For the first example, let's say you just started your workday and you want to know what's happening in my Jira right now. What are the open issues? What's in the progress? And instead of logging into Jira, clicking through menus and building the filter, you can just ask Claude, give me an overview of my Jira project. How many issues are open, in progress, and done? Which issues have no one assigned to them? So let's send this prompt. And this is what I said about permissions. Claude now wants the permission to get access to your resources. So you can allow it only once or always. So I'm going to go with only once for this task. After the Claude is finished, it created this clean overview dashboard. So we can see we have 4 tasks to do, 4 are in progress and 2 are done. Then we have all the issues listed over here. So you can see everything over here. You can see also the priority and the status of the task and unassigned issues. So those are the things which are not assigned to any person, and you can assign it also with the Claude. Now let's go a little bit deeper. Maybe you want to know about a specific person on your team, so we can type something like this. Show me all the issues assigned to Checkmark Academy, which is me, that are still open. Are any of them overdue? So if I look at my Jira, you can see we have 4 tasks assigned to myself, and you can see we have nothing overdue, but let's say, for example, I will assign myself to this one, and as you can see, this is overdue. So I'm gonna again go to Claude, I'm gonna send this prompt, and we will see. So it should found this one overdue, and as I said, I mean, this is insane. You can already see the overdue one. So set up email notifications for user activity. This is overdue to April 20. Then we have some 3 tasks which needs to be done due to tomorrow. So you can read to this summary. So now when we know how we can use Claude for summaries, we can also use it for creating new things. So let's say I want to create new tasks in Jira called write blog post about our new dark mode feature. We want to set priority to medium and we want to add some short description to it explaining it. And we want to assign it to Checkmark Academy. So that's me. I'm going to send this prompt. So done. It should be Scrum 17. Here's the summary and we can look at it. So I refreshed the list and we can see we have this Scrum 17. We want to write a blog post about our new dark mode feature and it's assigned to myself. And there also should be description about it. So if I click on add comment, and you can already see the description about this, all right, created with Claude. This example is my favorite one. So for example, let's say you just got out of the meeting, you have rough notes, messy, not organized at all. And what you can do, you can paste them in Claude, and Claude reads through the mess, understands what needs to be done, who is responsible, and what the priority is, and creates proper tasks in Jira automatically. So let me show you. For example, I have my notes in PDF file, so I'm going to click on this plus icon in the chat and we can add files or photos. And I should have meeting notes, so those are my meeting notes. I'm going to open them and we can add prompt like here are my notes from today's sprint planning meeting. Turn them into the Jira tasks. For each task, set the priority based on the context and assign it to the person which is mentioned. It can already see the 7 tasks clearly from the notes, so I'm gonna allow it. And we can see if it is going to create the tasks inside Jira. And the name of the person who should be assigned is David. And I don't think I have David in my workspace, so we will see how this is going to take Claude. So who is going to be assigned? And as I said, those persons doesn't appear to have Jira accounts connected to my workspace yet. So it's going to leave it unassigned. So, but if you have your people in your workspace in Jira, it's going to be assigned automatically, right? For my example, I don't have that many people and with the exact names. So as you can see, all the tasks has been created and we can check it on our Jira. And here we go, I can see it already. There aren't any persons assigned, as I said, because I don't have those persons in my workspace. But if you are going to have them with the exact names, it's going to assign them, all right? And we can see the task all over here. We can see it automatically created the priority based on the context of the notes. This is another way. So you can paste your notes file and Claude will turn it into tasks in Jira automatically. This is going to be all for this video. This was video how you can connect and use Jira in Claude with some examples. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.